Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to study about suturing techniques. So first of all, let's study about the certain principles of suturing. So first you are going to grasp the needle at approx 1/3 distance from the eye and 2/3 from the point. Now needle should enter the tissue perpendicular to the tissue surface on the incision line. And you can do it in two ways. Either you can take a deep curvature and do it at once, or you can do it in this way. Now we are going to tie the knot. So basically there are two types of knot, granny and the surgeon. Here we are doing the surgeon's knot, two clockwise and one anti-clockwise. And when you are taking the bite, it should be about 2 to 3 mm from the wound margin of the flap, and you will follow the deep curvature. Needle should always pass from the free to fixed tissue. Okay, the point where you are entering the needle, that is a free end, and then you're going towards the fixed tissue. Okay, and the margin should be everted. So this is, you're going to complete the entire suture in the same way. Now let's see simple continuous suture. So here in simple continuous suture, the procedure is same. You will enter the tissue at 90 degrees. And in order to get the uniform suturing, make sure you draw a line, that is an incision line, and you draw certain points at certain distance by using ruler, so that there should be a uniformity. Okay, now just tying the knot. You make sure when you are starting the simple continuous suture, the knot is upper side, and when you are ending it, then the knot will be at the lower side of the incision line. Okay, so here also the surgeon's knot, that is 2 clockwise and 1 anti-clockwise. Now we'll cut this from one side, and now we'll start the continuous suturing. Now this will go till the last, but here I am showing you how it is going to be, how you're going to tie the knot at the last suture. So in the same way I have explained you, when you are starting this, the knot will be on the upper side, and when you are ending this, the knot will be on the lower side of the incision line. The similar 2 clock 1 anti-clockwise. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay.